So in this video I want to show you how you can manage your Wi-Fi using the router page. Alright, so using this method you can change the Wi-Fi name, password, remove or add devices. Alright, so let me connect to Wi-Fi network first. Alright, so I'm using this Wi-Fi named Makoni. Alright, so you need to be connected to the Wi-Fi. Alright, so go to any browser. I'm using Chrome, and go to the gateway homepage. For this Wi-Fi is 192.168.1.1. so this gateway differs with every router, so but this is usually the default page, 192.168.1.1. go to that site and you need to log in using your details, username and password. The default username and password is admin. Username is admin and the password is admin, but I have changed mine. So here's my username and my password. Let me pause it. Alright, that's my password. Log in. Okay, so this is the router page, and as you can see the router is Huawei gateway. Alright, so you can do a lot of stuff. You can do actually everything on your Wi-Fi with this page. Or for example, you can go to basic, go to one, go to WLAN. Alright, so here you can change the Wi-Fi name, the password. Let it load. Slow network. LAN filtering. Okay, let me go to LAN. Alright, so that's the SSID, the name of the Wi-Fi Makoni. So you can see I'm connected to Makoni. And this is the security type, WPA PSK, and that's the password, WPS enable. So you can change this if you want. Alright, so right now I just want to show you how you can remove users from connecting to your Wi-Fi. Like if someone hacked your Wi-Fi and is connected, here's a way you can remove him. Alright, so you go to status, click on WLAN. So here you can see all the connected devices on this page. So you just go to LAN, and click on Ethernet. So here you can see a list of all connected devices by MAC addresses. As you can see, LAN side devices, these are all the devices connected. Alright, as you can identify by the MAC addresses. Alright, so my devices, let me show you my device. So that's my Wi-Fi MAC address, 54F201. Here it is. Alright, so this is my phone. The last one here, 54. So that's my phone. Alright, so you can remove this by blacklisting the MAC address. It's like blacklisting the device. So you just press and hold, copy the MAC address, copy, and then go to basic, go to WLAN, and go to WLAN filtering. Let it load. Alright, so here's the thing. So you need to enable here if it's not checked. So there are two filtering modes. The first one is blacklist and then the other is whitelist. Alright, so it's better to use the blacklist mode. you just put the MAC address and blacklist it so I don't connect ever again. If you put the whitelist mode, the Wi-Fi will only be connected by the devices listed here. Alright, so I prefer to use the blacklist. Do not ever use the whitelist if you're not, like, if you hack the Wi-Fi and it's not yours. Do not use the whitelist mode because you also be disconnected as soon as you save the settings. Alright, so I just paste the MAC address here. Paste. So I'm blacklisting this device. It will never connect again until I remove it from the blacklist. So click paste the MAC address and click on submit. So just load a bit. Okay, so it was saving the settings. You can see the Wi-Fi it restarted. So I need to refresh the page. Let me reload it. Alright, so I blacklisted this device with the MAC address for 8. So if I go back to status and LAN Ethernet, you won't see it here. As you can see, now there are only 2 remaining devices, mine and the other one with that MAC address. So I can remove all of them. Let's say if you, as I said, your Wi-Fi has been hacked and it's now becoming slow because several devices are connected, you can disconnect them all and leave your device. Do not make a mistake of pasting your MAC address there because you'll be disconnected too. Alright, so that's it, guys. So if you want to remove it from the blacklist, just go back to LAN filtering and then click here, remove this MAC address from the blacklist and click on submit. Try to just refresh as you did last time. Let me refresh the page. Go back to status. It's not yet connected. Alright, so that device can now connect. If you can totally turn LAN filtering off if you want to, but if you buy, just an advice, if you buy Wi-Fi, you need to change the username and password of this. Click here and click remove. You need to change the password of the router page. Like as you saw my device, my details, I changed them from admin to my own personal details, just to avoid people like me, obviously, because this is not even my Wi-Fi. I disconnected. I'm sure that I don't know if that was the user. This is not my Wi-Fi. I'm just testing on someone's Wi-Fi. But do this on your Wi-Fi, please. Do not disconnect people from their own Wi-Fis. So as you can see, if I go back, device is not yet connected, but I'd removed it from the blacklist. Alright, so that's all you do, guys. If you want to use the Wi-Fi on your own, like you want to use it on at home, you need to have an Ethernet cable connected to the Wi-Fi and click on whitelist. So it will remove all wireless connected devices and leave that one using the LAN cable. And then you add your MAC address for wireless. That's how you can use it on your own. No one can ever connect to your Wi-Fi even if they have the password. Alright, so that was it for the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, ask any questions you want. I'm out.